Each year, hundreds of thousands of women in the U.S. get vaginal yeast infections. Here are 5 easy ways to lessen your odds of getting one. Number 1, wear cotton underwear. Yeast thrives in a damp environment, so cotton, which absorbs moisture, is a smarter choice than nylon and other synthetic fibers, which hold in moisture. And if you wear pantyhose, make sure they have a cotton panel in the crotch. Number 2, don't wear jeans, leggings, or yoga pants that are too tight. Yeast likes heat just as much as it likes moisture, so staying away from snugly fitting pants will help keep yeast at bay. Number 3, don't douche. Your vagina doesn't need any help to stay clean and fresh. Douching can upset the delicate balance of good bacteria down there and increase the risk of infection. Scented tampons and pads and feminine deodorants are also a no-no. If you're worried about odor, it may be the sign of something other than a yeast infection, so it's best to call your healthcare provider. Number 4, change out of damp clothes as soon as possible. Yeast likes moisture, remember? So sitting around in a wet swimsuit or sweaty workout clothes is a welcome invitation for yeast to grow. Number 5, practice healthy feminine hygiene. There are a few things to remember in order to prevent an environment where yeast can grow. Take extra care when menstruating. Change tampons and pads often and avoid scented ones. When using the toilet, always wipe from front to back. When showering or bathing, be sure to clean the inside folds of the vulva with water, and if you want, a mild hypoallergenic soap. And when you're finished with a shower or bath, dry the genital area well to get rid of any lingering moisture. A few final things to know. Since sugar fuels yeast growth, diabetes that isn't well controlled can make you more prone to infection. Taking medications that suppress your immune system, as well as prolonged antibiotic use, can also increase your risk of yeast infections. If either of these describe you, and you keep getting yeast infections, it's important to call your healthcare provider. And finally, not every itch in the vagina is caused by yeast. If you're not 100% sure that what you're experiencing is a vaginal yeast infection, be sure to call your healthcare provider and get an accurate diagnosis.